In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can give your photos a warm golden look. First we would go to Light. Increase exposure to 30. Increase contrast up to 7. Increase highlights to 60. Increase shadows to 30. Decrease whites to 10. Decrease blacks to 5. Now go to Color. Increase temperature to 3. Increase vibrance to 20. Now click on the color mix. Go to Red color. Increase hue to 55. Decrease saturation to 50. Go to Yellow color. Decrease hue to 16. Also decrease saturation to 39. And luminance to -10. Now go to Green. Decrease hue to 100. Saturation to -49. And luminance to +20. Now go to Blue. Saturation to -85. And luminance to +70. Now go to Effects panel. Increase clarity to 10. Then dehaze up to 40. Now go to Split toning. Highlights should be around 48. And saturation about 10. Shadows should be around 38. And saturation about 10. Now go to Detail. Increase sharpness to 50. Increase noise reduction to 11.